Okay, on to our exercise 2C, final question 5. So we've been given this quadratic expressions and it's asking us to put this into the form of a minus b open bracket x plus c squared. Now, and they want to know what those a and b and c constants are. Now notice they are using capital letters. It's different to the a, b, c lowercase we've been using, okay? So if you notice, this is kind of like a completing square characteristics. So all it is really is written, we don't normally put minus value at the start, so that's why we usually have it in at the back there. Okay, so if I rearrange this, you can appreciate that this is usually our A, and this is usually our B and C, etc. Okay, so because we got a constant and the coefficient is not equal to 1, so we're going to use the full formula, so which is equal to x A open bracket A plus B over 2A close bracket square minus b squared over 4a plus c. Okay, substitution. So a is equal to, so let's again write this down first. A is equal to minus 0.04, okay, and b is equal to the coefficient of x, which is a positive 0.8, and c is the constant 2. So put this into the expressions then, we would have minus 0.04, open bracket x, plus b, which is 0.8, over 2 times minus 0.04 square, minus b 0.8 square over 4 times minus 0.04 plus 2. Okay, so minus 0.04. So 0.8, 2 lots of 0.04, which is going to be a negative 0.08. Okay, now plus and the minus makes a minus, so we can swap that to become minus and square minus 0.8 times 0.8, which is 0.64 over minus 4 lots of 0.04, which is 0.16. So it's going to be negative 0.16. So again, minus and minus makes a plus 2. Okay, so we can just out of interest, you can simply take 0.8 to become so times the top and bottom by 100. So that would become 80 over 8. Okay, so you could divide it in. It's the same as 80 over 8, which is actually this is actually going to be 10. Okay, so now you know that. So it's minus 0.04, open bracket x minus 10 square, and this is going to be, again, you can just times the top by 100 and this by 100 is the equivalent fractions. So it's 64 over 16, which is 4. Okay, so this is plus 4 plus 2. So the answer, therefore, is that. But the question said, what is the constant of A, B, and C? So if you do this as a comparison, so B would be 0.04, not minus 0.04, because the minus sign is already there. They only want the B, the value of the of this constant. Okay, and C. Now notice this is a positive So if you think about this, it's actually x add a minus 10. So your actual C constant is actually a minus 10. And finally, A is 6. Okay, so it's a positive there. So it's just the A. So that's usually where people missed out in the exam, and they just leave it at this point. So make sure you answer the question. What are the constants? Okay, and that's it. That's the homework for this week. Thank you.